News Corp Australia Network Saturday, the 16th of June 2018, 11:36 a.m. After dismounting early on Des De Jeu, Aaron Kuru quickly gets back in the saddle and rides the race of his life. Kiwi jumps jockey Aaron Kuru produced an amazing piece of horsemanship in New Zealand, recovering from a mid-race tumble from his mount to go on and score a remarkable win. Kuru was dumped from Des De Jeu after the gelding blundered after clearing an early jump in the Maiden Steplechase at Awapuni. Kuru was tipped out of the saddle but held on to the reins and managed to jump back on the horse as it rose to its feet. Amazingly, the pair worked their way back into the race and powered home to win the 3,200 meters race. Originally published as Kiwi jockey pulls off amazing mid-race recovery.